Hello friends, welcome to one more lecture today. Uh, we'll talk about the median, the second type of measures of central tendency. That's median. Don't be confused about median. It's simple, a central value. Median is a readily defined and easy to comprehend value, but it is not based on all the observations and does not allow itself for the mathematical treatment. If I look at this example that's before you, it's an ordered tree. So median is nothing but the central value or the middle number. So if I define a median is just a middle number. Middle number. Okay. If I see this example, if you refer to this example, the central value here is 3. Similarly here, if I have 5 values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the central value will be equal to 3 here. To solve a median, we have to first of all arrange the data into the ascending or the descending order, and it is totally based on the 50% central values. Okay, finding the median, we have to take for the odd observations, it is simply the middle value. The formula is n plus 1 upon 2th observation, where n refers to the number of observations. If the number is even, we are going to take the average of the middle numbers. So let's start. Okay, if you take this example, the question is 6.72, 3.46, 3.6 and 6.4. First of all, we have to arrange. So the first step is basically arrange into ascending or the descending order. This is clearly the ascending order. So you can arrange in descending order, but here it is ascending. So my first value is 3.46, 3.7. The number of observations are even. So we are going to take the arithmetic mean of them. That is 3.60 plus 6.44 upon 2. So my median value is 5.0. If I take the case of the odd numbers, the formula is simple. That's n plus 1 upon 2th observation. First of all, arrange. That is 3.46 the smallest number, then 3.6 and so on. These are the numbers given to us. The number of observations, if you take, number of observations are 5. 5 plus 1 upon 2th position is there. So that is third position. So third position is 6.44. So that is going to be your exact middle value. That is your median value. So if I look here in this example, the information is given to you and you have to find the median. It seems to be simple. We take the, first of all, arrange the data. So after arrangement, my numbers are 4100, 4150, then we have 5200, then we'll have 6080, then 6160, we will have 7120 and 7400, right? These are the numbers. If you find out the number of observations are 7, it's clearly a case of the odd data. The formula is n plus 1 upon 2th observation, which is 7 plus 1 upon 2th observation, which is equal to 4th observation. So 4th observation is 6080 and that is your median. Okay. If you move further, my next example, we have to find the median of the following data. So my arrangement is, first number is 391, then 384, then you will have 407, then you have 522, we will have 591, then we'll have 753, 777 is there, 7, after we have 777, we have 1490, and then we have 2488. If you count the number of observations are 2 to 4 to 6 to 8 and 10, so my number of observation is 10. This is the case of my even data. So in even, we are going to take the average, so that means 10 plus the next observation is 11th observation upon my 2. So carefully observe, we have the number of observations as 10. So my 10 by 2th observation, that is the 5th observation. plus the next observation, that is the sixth observation. So fifth plus sixth observation upon 2. So my fifth observation is 591 plus I have missed here as 672. I have missed it. So next value is 672 upon 2, that is equal to 1263 upon 2. So value is 631.5. There is one more alternative method of solving it. What we can do is, if I check by the standard formula, that is 10 plus 1 upon 2th observation, that we did in the odd one, that is 5.5th observation. So that will be equal to 5th observation plus half of the difference of 6th minus the 5th observation. That means ये जो 0.5 है ये next value को minus करके आते हैं. So my 5th value is 591 plus half of 6th value is 672 minus 591, which is equal to 591 plus 81 upon 2, which is equal to 591 plus 40.5, which is again equal to 631.5. तो आपको जो कंफर्टेबल लगे, इजी लगे, यू कैन यूज एनी ऑफ द टू मेथड्स. Okay, next we have to find, now this is a discrete data since frequency is also given to you here. So again we will arrange the data. Always remember, when it is a positional case, we have to arrange our data. So when we arrange our data, my value is now see, if remember this frequency is also given, so correspondingly frequency will also change. I have 4000, I have 500 here. Now I am going to have 5060 here, then 5800 is there, then we will have, okay, we are left with 5380 here, and we have 6600, right? So this is the data. In frequency we will have corresponding one, 4000 की 24 थी, this is 26, 5060 की we have 20, 5380 की we have 30, then we have 16, and finally we have 6 as well. So we take the total of the frequency, that turns out to be 122. Now if you remember, the formula is n plus 1 upon 2th observation. So that is 122 plus 1 upon 2, that is 123 upon 2th observation. Now this is equal to 61.5. Now how to find 61.15th observation? We are going to take the cumulative. So 24, 50, 70, 100, 116 and 122. So 61.5 is going to lie near to 70. We are always going to take the higher side. So corresponding value is 5060, and therefore that is your median. Okay. Next is the continuous series. The formula is L plus n by 2 minus Cf upon f into I, where L refers to the lower limit of the interval. We have been doing a lot about the lower interval. N is the total number of observations, Cf is the cumulative frequency preceding the median class. अब इसका क्या मतलब है? मतलब अगर इंटरवल है 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30 and so on, अगर ये आपका इंटरवल है, आपकी फ्रीक्वेंसी है 2 है, 3 है, 7 है, और लेट्स से 1 है आपकी फ्रीक्वेंसी, तो क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी बनेगी 2, 5, फिर आएगा आपका 12 और यहाँ पे आएगा आपका 13. तो क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी प्रोसीडिंग द मीडियन क्लास. नाउ योर n will be equal to 13 upon 2, which is equal to 6.5. So we are going to take the higher side, that is 12. So my preceding class value will be 5. And the frequency of the concerned class, the corresponding class will be 7. The middle value will, lowest value will be equal to 10, and my length of the interval will be equal to 10 here. Okay, so if I take the here, तो L हमारा यहाँ पे आएगा 20, N will be equal to 13, number of observation, cumulative preceding class is 5, corresponding frequency is 7, and length of the interval is equal to 10 here. So similarly, we have a question. Oh, nice question. We have 4110 to 4119 and so on. Again, it is a हमारा इस series में थोड़ा सा gap आ रहा है. So first of all, we will convert it into equal interval data. So my FI equal interval is आपकी class interval. अब क्या बनेंगे? देखो यहाँ पे gap कितना है 1 का, तो we will have plus 0.5 and minus 0.5. So my value is 409.5 to 419.5. Then we will have 419.5 से लेकर 429.5, 429.5 से 439.5, 439.5 से 449.5, 449.5 से 459.5, 459.5 से 469.5 एंड 469.5 से 479.5. ये वैल्यूज आ गई. मेरी फ्रीक्वेंसी है 14, 20, 42, 54, 45, 18 एंड 7. द टोटल टर्न्स आउट टू बी 200. ये ऑलरेडी अरेंज डेटा है, तो हमें अरेंज करने की जरूरत नहीं है. क्यूमुलेटिव है 14, फिर विल कीप ऑन एडिंग, इट विल बी 34, देन वी विल हैव 76 as the next value, then we will have 130, then we will have 175, 193 and 200. As I told you earlier also, ये दोनों values आपकी match करनी चाहिए. Okay, so the formula was L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into I. तो आपकी n की value जो आई है that is 200. So my n by 2 will be equal to 100. So we are going to check 100 lies nearest to 130 because it is the higher side. So cumulative frequency bana 76. This is my frequency value and this is going to be my lower value. So my median value is 439.5 plus 100 minus 76 upon 54 into 10. The length of the interval is clearly 10. This is 439.5 plus 24 upon 54 into 100. It turns out to be 439.5 plus 4.4, which is 443.9. So that is your median. I hope it's clear to everyone now. Thank you so much for the day.